It can be frustrating. You need an answer, and you need it fast. But your internet connection is slower than molasses going uphill in January. Someone may be stealing your Wi-Fi. Let's discuss ways to investigate that. Let's start by checking your router. Note that there are several lights on this router that indicate its condition. The power light, of course, the internet connection light, and the wireless connectivity light. Turn off the water to your faucet. Look underneath the sink for the pipes. You should see handles that you can turn to shut off the water to your sink. Twist clockwise to shut the water off. Plug the drain. Use a sink plug if you have one, or a rag. Nothing will mess up your project faster than having a screw or a washer go down the drain. Then you'll have an entirely different project. When using the dispensing unit for the first time, and with each new kit, we recommend triggering the gun only 1/2 to 3/4 of the way open, until the desired output and spray pattern is achieved. This controllable metering is a major benefit of the dispensing unit, because it gives the user complete control of the flow rate and spray pattern. You'll first want to identify any holes in your home. You'll need to look for openings the size of a dime for a mouse and a quarter for a rat. Next, you'll need to close those holes. A copper mesh product is recommended because it doesn't rust like the alternative, steel wool.